Now it's time to update your homepage. One of the things I use as a reference to get my code, I copy and paste what I want to do, and then I update it in my website. So for example, if you would like to add a different heading, I can come here, try it yourself, and I can say, oh, you know what? I need a heading 3. So I'm going to copy the heading 3, and I'm going to go to my website. I'm going to go to my index.html, and I'm going to look, okay, where do I want to put? Oh, I need a heading here. And then it shows up. So you can add HTML and then change what's inside of it by using the W3 schools. As you see, there are examples for paragraphs that you can copy the code for, the links where you copy the code and then you change the address inside of the quotes for the href attribute, and then you change what shows up on the screen. You can also copy the code for images. Once you have the code that you want in your website, I want to show you how you can make, and I have an example here of making a sticker. So this is going to divide your web page into a different coloring scheme. So when we divide the web page into sections, there's something called a div tag. So the div tag is going to divide it. So if you look at my code, I have a lot of div tags. Whoops, let me go to my code. So if you see here, here's my div tag to divide this to be different than the rest of my web page. To help you do this, look at, well, what is the div tag? Again, dividing it into blocks. And in order to do that, we have to learn something about styling it. In order to style it differently, we have to give it something called a class and an ID. And then this is how we can tell the style sheet what to do with it. So my class can be what I want to call it. So I call my class a sticker, so that when I go to my style sheet, I can find the class for my sticker. Now I have a lot in mind. That's why I have comments. And when I go down to, I'm going to do Control F to find my sticker code. Here's my sticker. And my class has to start with the pound. So it says pound coding. And here I am going to put my styles that are going to match for that class. So when I go back, it will show my gradient. Yes, we're going to learn about gradients. And to do this, there is a website to help you make your stickers. So just follow along and reach out to me if you're having trouble making your sticker with the div tags using a class. Hope that helps and have fun creating.